Why did you run over there? I'm cooking. I have to check. I'm cooking breakfast. That's why I wake up early. The kids are going to school. Wow, looks so hot. So I'm playing my ear. It is your boarding house? No, it's my boss house. I'm living with my boss. With her two kids. She's Chinese. And I'm here like 10 years. So it likes my house. I mean, you know, I'm free to whatever I want to do here. It's like I'm living here. She's very nice to me. That's why I'm staying here for long. 10 years, imagine that. I'm working her 15 years. So maybe soon, if I found someone, I'm living here. Like, bye boss, I'm gonna get married. Bye boss, I'm gonna settle down. Yes, I'm here 10 years. She's Chinese. She has two kids, one boy and one girl. And now they're both teenager, 17-year-old and 14, boy and girl. Why you don't believe? I'm working here for 10 years. I am. Habibi, come to Dubai. Hi, Mr. Kashif Khan. Thank you for coming from Sagarco. English, Spanish, Filipino. I don't know. Okay, I can speak English. Just trying hard. A little bit though. I'm just trying to speak English. Just trying hard to communicate you guys. Because you can't understand me if I'm speaking Tagalog here. Our language, which is the Filipino language.